So here we'll see what is the difference between ref and out. So what is the feature? Initialization. When ref, this must be initialized before passing, whereas out does not need to initialize. Means before passing, ref must be initialized before passing, whereas out no need to initialize before passing. So the assignment, so this can be modified, but not required to assign the before use. Means before sending you no need to initialize, you can modify ref, but out before returning you must initialize and send the value. So use case, you can use if you want to modify the input variable. Here use, you need to return multiple values. The purpose, passing by reference while preserving the original value. Passing by reference preliminarily for output, we go for out. So method signature, it can be used in both method parameters and return type. We can use ref, whereas out this used as method parameters only, but not as return type. So usage in methods, use it to indicate that a method can modify the value when you use ref, whereas out use it to indicate the method will provide a value. We'll see example in next session.